The air filter housing is attached to your small engine's carburetor and houses the air filter. The air filter housing is usually replaced due to accidental damage, such as over-tightening a mounting nut or a crack caused by dropping the tool. Replacing the air filter housing is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the engine cover from the chainsaw. With the cover removed, now I can remove the air filter. Now I'll remove the ignition wires from the air filter housing. I'll remove the ignition lever. And now I'll remove the nuts that secure the housing to the carburetor. Now I can lift the housing away from the saw. Now I'll remove the ignition spring and the upper carburetor body. Now I can install the new air filter housing. First, I'll reinstall the upper carburetor body. Now I'll reinstall the ignition spring. And next I'll install this assembly back onto the saw. I'll make sure I connect the throttle linkage. Now I'll resecure the air filter housing with the nuts. Now I'll reinstall the ignition switch lever. I'll set it on the post and pull the ignition spring back so I can seat it. Then I'll secure it with the screw. Next I'll reinstall the ignition wires. I'll turn the saw to the on position as I install the barrel connector. Turning the saw on will move the lever away from the spring so I can insert the wire more easily. And now the second ignition wire. Next I'll reinstall the air filter. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the engine cover. And that's how you can install a new air filter housing on your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.